without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. Yeah, today Day 9. Is it Day 9? I'm trying to remember. Day 9. So I'm going to do a little morning routine for work. But I'm going to work. We just wake up on the epic before alarm late. So I'm going to be rushing to as well. Because I have to leave up by 6:30 and it's 5:45 now. So if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. My face is disaster, like it just appeared. Oh my god. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Yeah. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to comb my hair. Alright, so I'm going to take out this thing from my head and then I hang it here. Alright, and then I get my comb with my brush down here. What a comb. Where's the comb, bro? I can't find the comb. Hold on, people. And then I so, yeah.
Caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit again.
girl ear tall now. So I'm done with my hair and I'm going to take a shower. When I get out of the shower, then I come back. Alright? So I am out of the shower. I kind of lotion already still because I'm late, so I can't take up the food every minute. So this is just a breakout. It's really annoying me. Yeah. What you call it? So I'm gonna look for my stocking. I'm gonna look for my brassiere. Yeah, come here, woman, I'm wearing brassiere. And
That's how we're gonna late. That's how we're gonna late.
are you put your foot for alarm late? Are you put your foot for alarm late, not me? Alright, they're gonna look for TikTok people.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it.
Haul finish. And you passing it. Getting ready for work. What? Put now and plate the plate now if you can cover. Yeah. I'm gonna wear these shoes to match the belt and then I'm gonna carry the black bag here in a pocket. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and then pack my bag and then I gotta go right now. So since recently, this is the toothpaste I've been using. I'm on my sensitive. My teeth, they're very sensitive, and then going to the dentist, and the dentist tell me that I have to start take serious action or else I'll be a rotten teeth again in my mouth. I would have left my house, obviously, because I'm in the car. Almost reached work. Probably about in 20 minutes time or more. Yeah. So I am on time still. I am still early. So yeah, I am going to show you guys nice little scenery from the past every single time I'm going to work. St. Mary, you see the beach and I'm gonna look at something there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah, it was sick, I must think that I always fix my mirror. So yeah.
You know I'm glad
the bumper gone, it's spotty, and one little patrol was sitting in there. Just bring down and
What you mean? Anybody don't want to say I have to drop off?
They don't know. Live again.
What do you like that? What do you care done for? What you mean? Him man.
One backlight already. This not him. Right now I jump here, I jump start at this one. Put it, push me.
Even if I jump start that driver.
Yeah, and then later again, we have to jump start again. How long you have to do that?
Oh God, what TV?
So I'm going to stay there, I'm sitting and drive. Walk some people around.
I do marriage before those central.
So guys, I am back home. I'm not tapping my face. I broke out. See there? Stay bad. Watch it. Stay bad. Me da go birth and bump arm. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm back home. Yeah, I'm back home, and this is gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 9. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Okay? Yeah. Bye.